Hi guys, I'm Young and right now I'm in the stadium in Guangzhou. Of course, I'm here to watch a football match. Guangzhou is one of the best teams in China Super League. They are competing the top spot right now against Beijing today. Okay, actually the match is over just now, but I could not place the mic. I don't have waterproof mic. So I'm doing it right now when the match is just over.
3 hours ago.
I just bought a cap. It's raining so much right now. I don't even know whether you can hear me. My socks are already soaking wet and we're still an hour away from the start of the match. My camera bag is wet. I really hope Guangzhou will win today. I have faith. And I think my seats are somewhere there. And there's no roof. Oh my god. So I'm so excited, I'm so hyped up. I came all the way from Hong Kong to watch this match. I mean, I don't support particular teams in the China Super League, but I love Fabio Cannavaro, who has been my favorite player of all time since when he was the captain of Italian team.
Ciao Fabio. Now all cameras are focused on Mr. Fabio Cannavaro, who is the manager of Guangzhou team.
So the match just started. I think the ground is a bit too slippery.
This is Paulinho, the most expensive player in Guangzhou Evergrande, contract €42 million. Beijing is taking the corner. Guangzhou had many good chances. They were attacking strong. Fabio Cannavaro was giving some instructions to the players, which caught my eyes. And I'm not the only one.
See, I'm not the only fan. That was the closest that we got. That really should have been a goal. As you can see, it's raining like crazy, even more.
I was so envious of those official poncho. Oh, and Team Beijing scores. And I realized the guy sitting right next to me was actually supporting for Beijing in the middle of Guangzhou fans. So the 10 minutes before the 90 minutes, the guy sitting next to me, who is the Beijing supporter, actually left.
Come on, come on! Yes! Ah!
The frustration deepened as the opponent was actually delaying the time.
6 minutes.
So we ended up getting 6 minutes of injury time.
Come on! Come on! Ah! That was really the last chance. So the match is over and Beijing retains their #1 position in China Super League. But it was definitely nice seeing Cannavaro in real. My hands are look like it's been soaked in bath for many hours. It's so cold. Oh. But this was the biggest match of Football League in China for this season. Beijing won by scoring one defining goal. The fans are telling them, 加油! Oh, they're so cute. These kids are so cute.